Several years ago, I did a video on my 1009 about the pigtail for the front under the headlight marker lamp is the ground tab falls off and you lose everything. I don't remember the connection with this light here. So on the 1008.5, I am going through making sure the lights work so he can drive down the road. So let me show you what happens, what this condition was when I found it. And let me get real close. There's a little bit of a glow. See that little bitty glow there? Just a little glow. So to me that means bad ground. It's got to be the ground. It's got to be the ground. It's got to be. So me being me, I grabbed the power probe. I mean, it's two wires. There's a blue wire and what looks like a black wire. I probed it, and actually I pulled the ground up here off and cleaned it, put it back on again. No difference, just a little bitty glow. So I put power to the blue wire, thinking that's got to be the hot wire. Didn't help. The light lit up, but I didn't have any lights the rest of the truck. Dash lights were out, everything else was out. So the fuse panel for the CUCV. There you go. Whoop. Hold it up so you can see it. Got this off of CUCV Electric years ago. And on Steel Soldiers, this is posted under the TM section. In fact, I got it from steelsoldiers.com. This is page 39. So on this one, it says, this one here, number 13, instrument lights. That might be instrument lights, but number 16, which is right here, the 20 amp, that is parking lights. Parking lights is also your light up the speedometer lights. Yes. Took me a while to find that. I checked all the fuses and figured it out and finally found out fuse number 16 was burned up. Once I got that done, I was like, heck with it. I'm just going to leave that one not working. And went to my parts depot, got the vehicle owner another used one, but at least it's not missing all the pieces back here that holds the bulb. I moved on to this one here. And when you pull this one out, look at that. The ground strap is there, but it's dirty. I gotta clean it yet, but I thought I'd do a video. So, and the blinker still works too. Don't put power to the blue wire unless you want to replace the fuse. And look at that. Both filaments of that one are working, and this one's blinking like it's supposed to with the lights on. And then with the lights off, it also blinks. Isn't that special? Yeah. So, and it comes back on again. If you have a Squarebody Chevy truck. And where are you looking at? Yeah, you're looking at it. This light is not right. Leave it alone. Unless the bulb is, you can't see it, you can tell it's actually burned out. Now the bulb that was in here, it was a little bit of black colored on the inside. I figured it's got to be the bulb. I didn't even check it. I just threw it out, grabbed another one. 194 bulb. Start here. Start with this. And I've already done the video years ago about replacing this pigtail because the ground normally does fail. But that's where this one is. So I figured this is a good time to stop and do a Squarebody Chevy, the entire world of Squarebody Chevy trucks and all CUCVs. If the side marker light is not working, make sure it's a good bulb. Don't put power to either wire there because they both, anyway. And then check this front pigtail because the ground of the front bulb affects the ground of the side light. Thank you for watching.